Good morning. Let us begin with today's session. So yesterday we have seen one problem at the last, which was like this. So can someone tell me what are the different parts, or how many parts you will divide this entire lamina? Yes, how many
Sir, three
parts?
parts.
Three parts. And what are
Three
they? Can
parts.
you name it?
सर लेफ्ट साइड बॉटम ये उनका मेन पोजीशन ये लेना है.
Okay, so this is a reference point
हाँ, रेफरेंस पॉइंट
because
लेना है.
the object is not symmetric about any axis. So reference point will be lowermost bottom corner. Good. Then
सब बाद में उसके पार्ट्स बनाने.
yes, how many parts will be there?
3.
Three parts. And what are they?
सर
ट्राइंगल भी बनेगा ना सर.
Yes.
सर्कल और
वो-
सेमी सर्कल भी है.
So someone said rectangle. कहाँ पर बन रहा है rectangle?
हाँ सर वहाँ से ही.
यहाँ से
नीचे
ये
है.
ऊपर.
नहीं सर, मिडल
नहीं
मिडल
नहीं
में
नहीं
से.
नहीं वहाँ से
Okay.
नहीं.
From here.
यस यस,
हाँ,
वर्टिकल
sir.
लाइन
Okay.
बना.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
हाँ.
So let me do a construction here. If I draw this line, a construction line. So this now it is very easy to denote that this part is my
हाँ.
triangle, second part is my rectangle, and third part will be my semicircle, which will be in
Semicircle.
negative or positive.
नेगेटिव.
Yes, it will be
Minus.
negative because
Negative
it is not in the shaded portion. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इसका
Yes.
ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने का और भी एक तरीका पॉसिबल है. व्हाट इज दैट? वन मोर पॉसिबिलिटी इज देयर इज वन मोर पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ डिवीजन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू in yesterday's class, wherever you see an inclined line there will be a wherever you see an inclined line, guaranteed there will be a triangle there. And wherever you see a curve, you will be guaranteed that there is a quarter circle or a semicircle. So first,
Semicircle.
which we have given, that this triangle, yes, it is okay, and this is the thing which I will also prefer, that this is my triangle, first element, second element rectangle, third element semicircle. This also I will prefer. But there is another case which is possible. Okay, let me do some construction with another color. So you see here, if I make this as my entire rectangle. Okay, so now what it is? The entire rectangle minus this triangle minus this semicircle. Is it possible?
यस सर.
Yes. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, ये पूरा ट्राइंगल, पूरा रेक्टेंगल कंसीडर कर लिया. दिस एंटायर रेक्टेंगल, इस रेक्टेंगल में से मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, ये वाला ट्राइंगल जो है ये माइनस कर दिया, चलो हट गया ये, और ये सेमी सर्कल भी माइनस कर दिया लाइक दिस, ये सेमी सर्कल भी माइनस कर दिया. तो जो हमको चाहिए था वो मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है?
मिल रहा है.
हाँ सर,
मिल रहा है
मिल
ना?
रहा है.
सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द
हाँ.
थिंग विच वी कैन डू. बट यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है, ये भी माइनस में जाएगा, दिस विल गो इनटू द माइनस साइड, this will also go into the minus side. So to avoid the negatives, or to minimize the negative, I will also not use this option, though I will get the correct answer from this also. You can try it later. So my now preference will be, first will be this triangle, second will be this rectangle, and third will be this semicircle. So next step is to draw the calculation table, in which first I will write the figures or the laminas which we have divided. Then there will be a column of area, then it will be x bar, y bar, then AIXI and AIYI. Don't forget to write units because it may result the deduction of marks. So let us say if there is 150, it is given mm, and if nothing is given, you will write units. So here I will write it is mm square, this is mm, this is also mm, this will be mm cube, and this will also be mm cube. Okay, so the first figure which we have considered is the triangle. So I will make the triangle here. Okay, this is my triangle. And what will be the dimensions of this triangle? Yes, someone, what will be the dimensions of this triangle?
50 and 200.
50 and 200. Very good. See here, हमको दिया है on the right hand side the total height from this point to this point is 150, out of which this rectangle which we have considered is 100 mm. So the remaining height will be 50, which will be going to the triangle part. So 50 is the triangle height, and then the base will be 200 because entire base is occupied by the triangle side. Now we know that the centroid of the triangle lies somewhere here at a distance of how much? At a distance of how much?
200 by 3.
Yes, it is b by 3 and h by 3. So it will be 200 by 3. In this part, we know that the height is h by 3. Okay, h by 3 मतलब कितना हो जाएगा? 50 by 3. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Yes, but this is from which point? This is from this particular point. यहाँ से. Okay. Now locate this. Locate this point in our main figure. That means this is the point here. Now we know that centroid somewhere here, which is at a distance of what we have seen 200 by 3 from this side. So this distance is 200 by 3 and this distance is h by 3, that is 50 by 3. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. अब मुझे जो डिस्टेंस मालूम है वो यहाँ से मालूम है, बट मुझे डिस्टेंस लेना कहाँ से? फ्रॉम वेयर आई नीड टू टेक द डिस्टेंस?
Reference point.
Yes, I need the distance from reference point. मुझे यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है. From this point to this point. So how much I need to travel in x direction first? यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना आना पड़ेगा?
66.66.
Yes, to be specific, it will be 200 by 3, that is 66.66. So I will write here, it is 200 by 3, which is equal to 66.66. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now what about y bar? Now I am here at this particular position. From this point to this point I need to go. कितना होगा?
16.66 plus 100.
16.66
116.
plus 100. Yes. So देखो पहले तो मैं यहाँ से यहाँ आऊँगा, बराबर. So this is 100 अगर मैं वॉक किया तो मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया. प्लस यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस हमको मालूम है, it is 50 by 3. So it is 16.66. So the total distance traveled will be 100 plus 50 by 3, which is equal to 116.66.
5,000.
5000. ऐसे आंसर डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं, फॉर्मूला बेस पे बताओ. It is half
into
base
200
into height. So on solving which I will get answer as 5000. Correct? Correct or no?
हाँ sir. हाँ sir.
हाँ, चलो. The next element which we have considered is the rectangle. So I will make a rectangle here. So this is my rectangle which we have considered. And what will be its dimension? It's quite simple.
100 and 200.
Yes, the base will be 200 and the height will be 100, which is given on the right hand side. You
100.
can see here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, by geometry, we know that, or by default, we know that centroid lies exactly here at a distance of how much?
100.
100. That is 200 by 2, half of the distance. And in height, it will be at a distance of 50.
50.
But from which point? From this particular point. Now locate this point in our main diagram, which is this one. Correct?
Yes.
So now my reference point and rectangle reference point both are one and the same. That means there is no need for any addition or subtraction. Directly I will write x bar is equal to 100, y bar is equal to 50. And
50.
area will be
Area.
200 into 100, which is equal to around 20,000.
20,000.
Okay.
20,000.
So let us go to the next part. The next thing which we have considered is the semicircle. So I will make a semicircle here. So this is a semicircle with a radius of, what is the radius? With a radius of, again some students make the mistake.
100.
50. Radius 50.
Yes, someone said 100. Yes, someone said 100. That's why I wanted to point out that in exam also they make the same mistake. यहाँ पर 100 दिखा, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि रेडियस 100 होगा. एनालाइज दिस पार्ट. क्या दिया है?
Half of semicircle.
यहाँ से यहाँ तक का 100 दिया है.
Diameter.
This is nothing but the diameter of semicircle. So radius will be half of it. So it will be 50. This is the mistake the students also do in the exam. So here I will write 50 and 50. The total distance is 100. That means R will be equal to 50. So we know that area is pi into R square. So pi into 50 square divided by 2. Is there some mistake in this?
Negative sign.
Yes, very good. It will be a negative sign because it is not in the shaded portion, because it is
Shaded
not in the
region.
shaded region. So I will
Shaded.
write it
Yeah.
negative. Okay. Now, for x bar and y bar. For semicircle, we know that the centroid lies exactly vertically above the diameter end. It lies vertically above the diameter end at a distance of how much? 4r
4r by 3 pi.
pi. Okay, 4r by 3 pi. Now locate this point. Now locate this point in our main diagram. Locate this point in our main diagram. So it is nothing but this point, center point, correct?
Yes.
And from here it is this part. Now someone please give me what is the answer for x and what is the answer for y from our main reference. Yes.
100 plus 50.
Yes, correct. It will be 100 plus 50 for x or y.
X.
Yes,
X.
it will be for x and for y.
4 into
4r by
50
3 pi.
upon.
करेक्ट सी देखो यहाँ पर हूं मैं. I want to travel from this point to this point, यहाँ से यहाँ तक in x direction. So how much I need to travel? This is 100, this 100 plus this 50. So total distance traveled in this direction will be 150. So I will write in x it is 150. Now I have reached here. From here I need to go upside. And how much this distance is? This distance is 4r by 3 pi. So in y bar I will write 4 into r divided by 3 pi. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So take 5 minutes time to complete this table. Find ai xi, ai yi, and then finally we have the formula x bar is equal to summation of ai xi divided by summation of ai, and I will write y bar is equal to summation of ai yi divided by summation of ai again. So what you need to do? You need to just add all the values in this column ai xi, add all the values in y ai yi, and add all the values in area column. Okay. So let me give you 5 minutes and you should calculate it yourself and give me the answers. Now what we need? Summation of ai xi. That means I need the summation of this. Now again I want to warn you where the students make mistake. In hurry, what they do, they just add all these three terms. But you don't have to add all three. You have to add this 2 and subtract this value.
2,333,090.561.
2,333,090.561. 0.56. Okay, chalega. And what about you will get at AIYI?
14,999,69.28.
14,999.
69.28.
69.28.
सर AIXI का वैल्यू गलत है
क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा?
सर 174425 1.5 आ रहा है.
हाँ सर, मेरा भी वही आ रहा है.
Yes, sir, वही आ रहा है.
174425 1.5 है.
17 वाला?
हाँ, 174425
चलो इसका आंसर बताओ करेक्ट वाला.
174425 1.5.
1.5. Okay, now it is correct. So AIXI I had 174425 divided by AI summation of AI. Okay, what are summation of AI?
21073.
21073.01.
Okay, and the answer for x bar is how much? Just divide it and get me the answer. What is the answer for this?
82.77.
82.77. Summation of AIYI we have 14,999,69.28 divided by area we have 21073.1, and the answer is
71.17.
71.17. So finally I will write the centroid for the above figure or the above lamina which is given is x comma y, that is 82.77 comma 71.17, and it is in mm.